In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points and numbered lists in WordPress. Whether you're crafting a compelling blog post, creating an informative article, or just adding some structure to your content, lists are a fantastic way to break down information into easily digestible segments that help guide your reader. So, let's delve into this essential skill together. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where you can create and manage all your content. Once you're there, locate the Posts section in the left-hand menu. Here, you can either add a new post or edit an existing one if you've already started drafting something. Click on Add New if you're starting fresh, or All Posts if you're modifying content you've already begun work on. Once you've opened the Post Editor, which should look familiar if you've written in WordPress before, you'll see a variety of tools available at your disposal that help compose your post. Today, we're focusing on the Visual Editor toolbar right at the top, where you can easily add lists. Let's start by creating a bullet point list. Position your cursor where you'd like to insert this list. Once you're ready, click on the button that looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines with a dot next to each. That's your bullet list button. As soon as you click it, a bullet point will appear on your page. You can then write your first list item. If you want to add more items, simply hit Enter on your keyboard, and a new bullet will appear just underneath the previous one. Continue doing this until you've entered all your items. It really is that easy, and once you're satisfied with your list, you can resume typing by hitting Enter again in a blank bullet, then click off the bullet point button to return to regular text formatting. Now, let's explore numbered lists, which are perfect when order matters in your content, like how-to guides or step-by-step procedures. Much like bullet points, you start by positioning your cursor where you'd like the list to begin. Look for the numbered list button in the toolbar. It looks like a series of numbers with a line next to each. Click on it once, and you'll see a 1 appear at the start of your line. You can then write the first item on your list. Just like with bullet points, hitting Enter will add new numbers, allowing you to flesh out your list item by item. Remember, once you've added all your list items, simply press Enter twice to step out of the list format and back into your regular paragraph style. It's handy to check how it all looks in the preview pane before publishing to ensure everything appears just as you want it. By mastering bullet points and numbered lists, you'll enhance the readability of your website and create an engaging experience for your readers. Keep practicing and experimenting, and soon you'll be a WordPress list pro.